Hello, it's Luke from Robert Ellis Estate Agents in Long Eaton. We're here outside this fantastic detached bungalow situated on Rectory Gardens in Aston on Trent. It's got a sizable plot which is just under half an acre, and the gardens have been landscaped from the front to the rear. Hello, so here we are inside the property. Entering into the spacious hallway, we have access to a shower room just there. Bedrooms are located in that side of the property, which we'll go through later. Here we are in the kitchen diner. This is a nice bit of dining area for you. There's the dining room. We've got a spacious lounge through there. And here is a fantastic conservatory that has an outlook out to the garden, and also you can see the pond there as well. So there we have the living accommodation. Now for the bedrooms, we've got bedroom 3 located here next to the utility, and then to the rear of the property we have bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and bedroom 4, which is currently used as a home office, and lastly here we have the 4-piece family bathroom. So there we have it, a fantastic sizable 4-bed detached property in the most desirable location, Aston on Trent. If you like what you see, give us a call on 0115 946 1818. Many thanks.